now that you've watched this much of my video, let me share with you how my students earn with Amazon. At the end of 3 months, my average student can make as much as $20,000 a month. Now again, if you think this is nonsense, if you think this is not possible, then skip the ad right now, skip this video and go back to what you're doing. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. So this is Becky, one of my students' website. Now I suggest that you're going to want to have a minimum of 5 niche websites. These are 5 of her websites. She has a fitness website curated with all the content needed. You can add your own videos if you want, but it's not necessary. My backend software enables you to basically curate content from YouTube. This is her online beauty website. Again, these are all top niches to have. This is a cooking online website. This is a gardening website, which is great for today's what's going on in the world. And this is a coffee, tea, snacks, beverages website. Now, you might ask yourself, well, how the heck do I make money with this working one step at a time? So I'm going to share with you using a simple math process in my calculator. I'm going to share with you how my students earn within the next 3+ months. Okay? Now, here's how it works. By the end of 3 months, my average student has curated 2,700 Amazon paying customers. That's 2,700 customers at the end of 3 months. The average customer, now this could vary depending on what you're doing, but based on what my student feedback is, the average customer is spending $213 a month. Doesn't seem like much. Some spend a little less, some spend a little more. So if you take that number times $213, now again, that's $213 in a month. Some of my students have people that spend a little less, more, but this is an average, and this is based on my student feedback. That's $575,000. Now, before you get out of your chair, Amazon's going to pay you between 4 and 10%. I want to be very conservative. So my students earn an average of 5%. So that's 5%. That's $28,755 that my students are earning on an average every month, after about 3 months. Now, some of my students take 4 months to work up to this, but it's possible. But what's not possible is if you simply just give up. Most people fail at online sales and marketing because they simply just give up. Their expectations were too high. They expected to make $1,000 by next Monday. Well, that's not possible in general. So if you want to learn how to do this the right way, I have curated a complete system, a complete turnkey system based on niche sites. But that's not important right now. If you simply click the link at the bottom of this video and go to my website and watch 100% for free, I know it's neat, your email address. I'm not going to spam you to death. I'm not going to put you into a $997 webinar. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you 100% nothing, absolutely nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. You know, I just found out something a couple days ago. In my neighborhood, we have a lot of people that deliver for Amazon. They basically carry carts on 57th, 58th Street where I live. So this one guy was talking to me about working smart, earning online. Instead of getting a paid, working by the hour, why not work smart and earn money while you sleep? So he actually taught me something. He says he's from Barbados. He's a big fan of Rihanna, the pop star Rihanna. Rihanna gets ridiculed for being rich and successful and yada, yada, yada. And you know what her response is? Hey, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. We all have the opportunity to be successful. Again, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So Rihanna says, what are you going to do with your 24 hours? Are you going to squander the opportunity? Are you going to wait around for your $300 government check? Or are you going to do something about it? So if you want to learn how to do this the right way, I make no guarantees of any income. I basically provide rock solid free training and the tools and the opportunity to earn online the right way. My name's Robert Farrell. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe diem 2020.